guys, welcome to writing today. We are going to be focusing on procedure writing this week. Procedure writing is a lot like sequence writing or putting things in sequential order. You are going to write a total of 3 essays this week. Today you will help me write a outline for how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Then tomorrow you will write it with me. Wednesday we will do another outline. Thursday we will write it together. And then Friday you will fill out an outline and write all the steps on your own. So today we are going to talk about the materials and the steps that we need and use to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It looks just like this on your outline on the paper and on Google Classroom, so you're more than welcome to pull this out while we are talking about it and working on it, and you can fill it out as you go. If there's more that you want to add in, go for it, but we're just gonna start. Okay, so it says how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So the materials that we need are going to be bread, peanut butter, and these don't need to be written in complete sentences right now. These can just be notes that you're jotting down because, again, it is an outline, and when we write our outlines, they're just notes to help us write the actual essay. We're going to need jelly. We might need a knife to spread the peanut butter and the jelly. We'll probably need a plate and maybe a napkin. Gotta stay clean. If there's other materials that you use to make your peanut butter and jelly sandwich, feel free to add them onto the materials. Totally fine with me. And then for the steps, you can make this as easy as just listing by putting a 1, a 2. Right now we don't have to say first, second, third. When we get into actually writing it tomorrow, that is when we will add those in. Remember, an outline is not supposed to be extra work. It's just supposed to help us put our work in order to help us organize it. So for our steps, I am going to write a 1, just like that. And then maybe step 1 is to get out all the materials. Maybe if your hands are not washed, then step 1 needs to be that you wash your hands, especially right now. So then after step 1, we go to step 2. Step 2 is normally either to put the peanut butter or the jelly on. I know that some people put peanut butter and jelly on both sides. Some people put peanut butter on one side of their bread and jelly on the other and then put it together. So completely up to you. I am going to say that I'm going to put peanut butter on one side and jelly on the other. But again, this is your sandwich, so you're telling me the steps that you would use to make yours. So I'm going to say put peanut butter on one side. And then maybe my step 3 would be to put jelly on the other side. Or you could put it on the bread. Okay, so now you have both sides of your bread with peanut butter and jelly, or peanut butter and jelly. We need to put them together to make our sandwich. So then maybe step 4 is put the bread together, or put both pieces of bread together. And then step 5, maybe you like your sandwich cut into triangles. Maybe you like them cut into just straight down the middle so that you have 2 halves. Maybe you like eating it without it being cut. So up to you. I'm going to say to cut my sandwich in half. So cut sandwich in half. And then maybe your sixth step is to finally, sorry, it's hard to write like this, finally enjoy your sandwich. So these are my steps that I would take. Sorry, my hand's getting cut off. Okay, there you go. So these are my 6 steps that I would use to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but maybe you have different steps. If you have different steps, then I would ask you to please change this around or write your own so that the steps work best for you, because again, this is your sandwich you're making. If you have any other questions on this, please let me know, and then we will meet back tomorrow to put this all together and in order. Have a wonderful rest of your day.